Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Audi Q5 key. This easy method requires just a few simple tools. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the key fob. A clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother and prevent any lost parts. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key and press it. This will allow you to slide out the mechanical key blade. Once the blade is removed, you will see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. The seam should be tight and even. Lastly, slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Your Audi Q5 key is now ready with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.